guys! Welcome to my channel! So for today's video, magta-travel na naman ako sa Philippines! Yan. At yan ang aking gamit. Hiniram lang namin tong cart. Yan ang aking gadalin, check-in at handbag. See you soonest! At ito na nga ang storya ng aking VIP experience. So after ko nga mag-check-in ng mga bags, here I am, nagpunta ako sa Marhaba Lounge kasi trinay ko yung access ko. Kasi meron sa credit card, meron akong launch access. So, it worked. Here I am, as you can see, kumakain ako dyan. Meron silang foods, different liquors like beer, wine, white wine. Meron din mga juices, fruits, and other, may pastries din sila, and also meron din desserts. So meanwhile, I'm waiting, at least here, my Wi-Fi. At the same time, I didn't pay anything. Siyempre, minsan lang natin maranasan yun sa buhay, di ba? Instead nga naman na sa outside ako, I mean, sa loob ng airport, but at the same time, kasi 4 o'clock ako umalis, so hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner niyan. Usually, ang dinner ko is 5, 6 o'clock. And syempre, after that, gutom ka na, so mapapabili ka. How much ba sa airport yung mga pagkain, di ba? Minimum dun, mga 1K peso, let's say. Kasi syempre, nasa Dubai ka. And pwede naman, McDonald's, 150, 200, but still expensive in the, rather than sa outside world, di ba? So, regarding sa credit card, kasi nga, meron akong access, hindi siya actually ibibigay mo yung credit card mo and saying, I have access here, and saying that my credit card, so can you please check? No, it doesn't work like that. So, how it works, meron akong dinownload. Tinuro lang sa akin nung aking cousin na si Pamela. Shout out, Char. So, meron akong application na dinownload, tapos it will show there kung saan yung access mo na mga launches. And you have to show that dun sa reception sa mga launch. Tsaka lalabas naman kung anong launch yung meron kang access. So sa Pilipinas, hindi ko siya nagamit. Pero sa Dubai here, yes, nagamit ko siya. Thanks God. And after ko kumain, syempre waiting pa ako niyan. Pero lumipat na ako kasi dito gumagana yung saksakan. Kasi dun sa unuban ko kanina, parang nagpuputol-putol yung charge. So dito ako, nag-charge ako. Meanwhile, paupo-upo lang. Tapos na kumain, busog na. Kasi nga, yan na yung dinner ko. At the same time kasi, medyo mahaba. Maaga ako sa airport to make sure na mapapasok ko lahat yung bagahe ko na walang aberya. Tsaka in advance ko na yung dinner ko para hindi nakakain mamaya sa aeroplano. And this time, this is the beginning of my story regarding my business class experience. So this time guys, hindi ko siya binook as a business class. Of course, sino ba naman, may pera ba ako to book a business class? I wish, no? So this time, kasi siguro sa sobrang daming bookings, so yung binook ko kasi with extra leg room. So fortunately, dahil sa sobrang dami nga ng pasahero, so they upgraded me. Hindi lang naman ako. Some people, I believe they are also upgraded there. Sa sobra kasi feeling ko punong-puno nakita ko kasi sa likod. And because siguro din, dahil napaaga ako ng check-in, so I don't know how they choose those people who get upgraded, but it's really, thanks God, I experienced this. I'm really so happy experiencing this. I swear to God, this is my second time, because my first time was in Oman Air. However, my boyfriend paid for that, so it's not free, of course. But this time, it's free, and I just cannot, I'm so speechless. Kasi nga, I'm so happy to experience this, because sabi ko sa sarili ko dati, when kaya ako makaka-experience ng business class, and sometimes God give you some expensive gifts without, it's for free. So take it, just take it. So now, what I'm showing to you is whatever included in the business class. First, they give you the towels. Then what you can see beside me, the blue bag along with the kit that I'm showing to you now, different siya from the kit that you will be given in the economy. Kasi sa economy, meron lang siyang toothbrush, yung sa eyes na nilalagay for para pag natulog ka, and then socks. This one, kasi maraming nakalagay dun sa kit. Sa business class, meron siyang lip balm, meron siyang same as the economy, but then it's kind of different. It's more kasi meron din parang pinisik sa like facial mist, parang face mist, I guess ang tawag doon. As ito naman, pinapakita ko sa inyo is the blanket. Meron siyang cover sa seat cover along with the blanket. Tapos yung blanket niya is different from the blanket in economy. And then next is ibibigay sa inyo yung menu. So dun sa menu, hindi siya katulad sa economy. Sa economy kasi hindi mo alam. Sa Philippine Airlines, hindi mo kasi alam kung ano yung meal nila. Usually, there are chicken, beef, or fish with the rice already. So this one sa business is it's a meal course. So first you will get the salad with the bread, and then after that you will get the main course, and then after that you will get the dessert, either ice cream or something sweet. So before ko ipagpatuloy yan, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo. Ito nga ulit yung sinasabi ko na mga laman sa loob ng kit. Yan, meron siyang lip balm. As you can see, tuwang-tuwa talaga ako kasi I mean, can't you imagine? Pero ako ready kasi ako, to be honest with you. I have my lip balm, my everything beside me. Kaya as you can see, yung katabi ko sa gilid is ang daming laman ng bag ko. Meron akong sarili kong unan. Meron akong everything that I need. Even the tea, even the coffee, I bring it all the time wherever I go. Kasi hinahanap yun ng tiyan ko or hinahanap siya ng aking something, you know, ng katawan. Without it, I don't know, I feel like uncomfortable. At ito yung sinasabi ko nilalagay sa mata. Hindi ko lang kung anong tawag dyan. Anyways, because I don't use it at all. Kasi nga naka-lashes ako. So, I don't use it at all. So, meron din akong socks. But I felt like it's hot inside. So, I use this socks because hindi naman siya ganun kakapal. So, I feel comfy. Anyways, I'm just wearing slipper. As you can see, I'm just wearing slippers, so anytime I can wear socks, you know. So I always wanted to be to feel comfy during the flight. Lagi lang akong ganyan, para lang naka-pajama or naka-dress or naka-sleeper. I don't usually pumuporma. Tamad na tamad ako yun mag-makeup. Kasi anyways, what you can do inside a plane, you're just going to sleep. Diyos ko, halos nga lahat na ng kanta. Marilag. O, diba? Din-download ko na para lang pakinggan ko the whole flight. Tapos, yung mga movies, kahit hindi ko siya napanood lahat, still, I think, 5 to 8 movies din-download ko sa Netflix para lang masabi ko na baka maboard ako sa flight. Kasi nga, hindi ka talaga actually makakatulog kasi imagine you're sitting and I'm not expecting naman na business class ako, of course. Pero really, business class is really the best. It's like for 6, 8 hours, 10 hours flight or more. Oh, it's amazing because you can have a rest. This time, I felt like I didn't notice the time. I even doesn't want to go out because it's like, oh, it's VIP, so let me just enjoy this moment. Kasi nga yung upuan na yan, mabibend mo yan. Gusto mo nakataas yung paa, nakahiga, diba? Sa economy is like 9.5 hours just sitting there and it's so tight yung space. Syempre may bag pa ako. Alam mo naman, maarte ang lola nyo. So tiring talaga. So thanks God I experienced this. So hopefully next time I will experience more and more and more business class. Hello Emirates, I wish I can experience your business class one day. Diba? Sino ba naman may ayaw maka-experience ng business class? Hopefully Monday, may pambayad na tayo pang business class and all the flights will be business class only. Sha'Allah! At ito na nga yung aking story again about the meal course in business class. So, ayan is the complimentary, I believe. I mean, before the main course. Pero hindi na ako humingi ng main course. Gusto sabi ko na lang yung ano na lang, yung parang complimentary na lang kasi busog pa nga ako. Nagutom lang ako ng mga slight in the middle of the night, syempre. So, fruits lang tsaka bread, okay na ako nun. Tapos kakain na lang ako kinabukasan maybe kasi meron pa isang meal. Pero can you imagine, no? Totoo pala yun na pag nasa isip mo is mangyayari siya. Kasi dati nasa isip ko lang that one day, hopefully, I will experience this moment and I'm experiencing it this time. Shoutout nga pala kay kuya na katabi ko, kabayan ko yan. Isa din siyang OFW. Sabi niya sa akin, vlogger ka ba? Sabi ko, hindi po, nag-start pa lang po. Tapos, alam ko na-feel shy. Siguro na-upgrade din siya, but I don't know. Hindi ko na tinanong, syempre. Nakakaya naman, di ba? And as you can see, nung una, syempre, natago ko yung camera ko, nahiya ako. Pero, of course, I don't care. In life, you have to be proud of yourself sometimes. Syempre, experience ko na to. Kaya nga ako nagbablog, hindi naman for the money. Hopefully, it's for the money. But for now, it's for the experience, for the events, for the life, for the memories. Kaya ako ginagawa itong pagbablog. Para at least may babalik-balikan man lang ako na memories, diba? Minsan lang ang mga opportunity na ganito, guys. So, of course, live your life to the fullest. Hindi mo naman to na-experience every day, so enjoy it. There are things in life for free, and it's from God, and it's really amazing than what you think. Oh, diba, nagiging pastora na naman ang lola nyo. But really, I'm always thankful to God kung ano man yung na-experience ko. I know I work hard on it, but still, without Him, I couldn't make it. And I'm always proud that I'm telling about God dahil siya yung nakasama ko sa lahat. Of course, kayo din naman, diba? Sino ba yung nating nilalapitan palagi? Taas lang. Well, let's go back to the story. And yan nga, meron sa akin binigay na mga nuts. I really love it because it's mixed with fruits, dried fruits. And I chose the Cabernet Sauvignon wine, which is really good kasi I will tell you one thing, by the way. Cabernet Sauvignon from Chile, it's really nice red wine. However, lagi siyang may hangover back up the next day, you know. But Cabernet Sauvignon from America or United States, it's really amazing than Chile. Why? Because the next day, kahit siguro lumaklak ka na isang boteng wine, is wala siyang hangover. I don't know kung ako lang nakaka-experience nun, pero kasi choosy na yung tiyan ko. Dahil laklakera ako dati. So, yun ay paghiganti ng aking katawan. I'm not sick, pero namimili na yung tiyan ko sa iniinom ko. Pag hindi na siya okay, so nagkaka-acidity ako. Hyper-acidity agad-agad. So, sumasama agad yung pakiramdam ko. So, namimili na siya. Pero of course, liquor is life. Siyempre, kailangan pa din natin mag-inom paminsan-minsan. So, ang favorite ko is the Cabernet Sauvignon for the red wine. But from USA ngayon. And for the white wine, it's Pinot Grigio. Pero dahil nga nagkaka-hyperacidity ako, so I don't know what's other white wine that is good for my stomach. So now ang aking iniinom na lang these days ay cocktail which is called the Aperol Spritz. So yun lang, alam ko na wala kayong paki guys, pero gusto ko lang magkwento. Bakit pa? Vlog ko to, charar. At ayan na nga ako, nagtulog-tulugan na ang lola mo kasi nakakain na. Nakatulog naman ako niyan guys, I swear, kasi may unan ako, nakahiga ako, pero hindi ako pagod, as in, this is the best part of the flight. Dahil masarili ako na lang unan, tapos meron silang unan, so, parang ako nasa kwarto guys. Ayan, makakatulog ako na mahiga for the first time. Sila. Hello, good morning! Char. So, nagising nga ako niyan ng madaling araw. Yes, madaling araw. Nag-toilet ako, and after that, syempre, skincare. Char. Skincare dahil, skincare. Tapos, lagi akong may wet tissue kasi lagi ko pinupunasan yung sarili ko sa flight. Feeling ko kasi parang, alam mo yun, parang kailangan ng body mo ng wet wipes. I don't know. Parang feeling ko kasi parang ang dumi-dumi ko kapag hindi ako napupunas ng wet wipes during the flight. At the same time, yan, tututbrush ako. And after ko nga, natulog ulit ako. And then, here I am. Siguro, hindi ko alam kung anong oras na dyan. Kasi nga, hindi ko tinitignan. Basta gumising na lang ako. And then, they asked me kung anong gusto kong kainin. Siyempre, ayan. Ano ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano in-order ko dyan. Basta hindi siya heavy. Yun lang ang alam ko. Parang breakfast lang. Normal na breakfast lang siya. But I really enjoy it. Hindi ko talaga tinitignan yung oras dyan. I don't care. O ayan, pinas-forward ko na para hindi kayo maboard. Ito nga, may dala akong sarili kong kape. And guess what it is? It's kapeng barako. So as you can see, ready ako. Meron akong hot mug. I don't know what you call that. Pero pwede dyan yung mainit. So nahingi lang ako ng mainit na water. Andun na yung kapeng barako ko. And that's it. Amazing breakfast it is. O, syempre, judge nyo ako dyan. Syempre, palapag pa lang kami niyan. Pero nasa Manila na ako. I don't know. Maybe not. Anyways, I'm so excited to go home. I'm so excited to see my nanay. But again, thank you, Paul, for this experience. Philippine Airlines is the best. Thank you so much. And this is it. I'm coming back to Manila. At doon na nga nagtatapos ang aking vlog for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao!